Got a P12 file and need to install it or extract the certificates inside? This is a PKCS Zugger 12 container, a secure vault holding digital identity credentials, private keys, and certificate chains. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through importing, managing, and troubleshooting these digital certificate files. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated P12 file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. P12 files are PKCS, 12 personal information. Exchange certificate files containing a digital certificate with its private key and optionally the certificate authority chain. They are used for code signing, SSL on TLS, server configuration, email encryption, VPN authentication, and secure client identity verification across platforms. P12 files follow the PKCS number 12 standard using ASN 1 DER encoding within a password-encrypted container. They package X509 certificates and corresponding RSA or ECDSA private keys using PBE password-based encryption with configurable algorithms including triple DES and AES for secure portable credential storage and transfer. Guaranteed access to P12 files is typically achieved using Windows Certificate Manager from Microsoft Corporation. Opening this file with an unknown Windows program poses a critical security risk. Windows shows only basic metadata, leaving full access to decryption-capable tools. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your P12 file and click Open With. If Windows Certificate Manager is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. If the P12 file still will not open, there is no need to stress the highly specific nature of the P12 file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, importing into Windows. Double-click the P12 file to launch the Windows Certificate Import Wizard. Enter the password that protects the private key. Select the appropriate certificate store and choose whether to mark the key as exportable. Complete the wizard to install the certificate for use in browsers, applications, and system services. Next, importing on macOS. Double-click the P12 file on macOS to open keychain access. Enter the certificate password when prompted and select the target keychain for installation. The certificate and private key are added to your keychain and become available to Safari Mail and other applications, requiring client certificate authentication. Finally, extracting with OpenSSL. Use OpenSSL command line tools to extract individual components from a P12 file. Run OpenSSL PKCS 12 in file P12, silkerts, nokeys, outsert pem, to extract the certificate and OpenSSL PKCS 12. In file P12, nokerts, outkey pem to extract the private key for use in server configurations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.